friends, my name is Lokesh. Today we are going to talk about how to convert MBR to GPT during Windows installation. First of all, we need to start with Windows installation. The video of Windows 10 installation is coming soon and the link will be updated in description box. Once we boot from a bootable media, the screen something like shows up where you have to select the language and your currency format. Now while it boots up, let's talk about the basic difference between MBR and GPT. If you have a large size hard drive, then you could want to convert MBR to GPT. This is because MBR does support only 4 partition table entries. If you want more partitions, then you need to create a secondary structure known as extended partition. So for any hard drive over 2 terabyte, we need to use GPT partition. Now, after some time, a screen is going to pop up. Just wait for a while it is getting booted up. Yeah, here we need to accept the license and terms and conditions and click on next. After that, there are two options. One is upgrade existing installation and another one is custom. Here I am selecting custom as we want to create partitions as well. Now here we need command prompt. For that we are going to use combination of key, that is shift plus F10, which gives a command prompt. Now we are going to use diskpart utility. So for that we are going to type diskpart, diskpart, and then press enter. Now, you are now in diskpart. Type and then press enter. Now we are going to use list disk and hit enter, which shows how many disks you have. Here I have only one disk, as you can see in the last column, which has GPT there, which means my disk is in there. There is no symbol or sign, so which means my disk is in MBR mode. Now to convert, first of all we need to select the disk. So for that I am going to use the command select disk followed by the disk name. So my disk has the number 0, so I am going to type select disk 0. Now as you can see, disk 0 is now the selected disk. Now we have to use the clean command. So now type clean, CLEAN, and hit enter. Now diskpart has been successfully cleaned the disk. Now to convert MBR to GPT, we are going to use the command convert GPT and press the enter key. Now as soon as you click the enter key, you get a message that diskpart has successfully converted the disk to GPT command. Now that's it. Your disk is now converted from MBR to GPT. Now to check it again, we use the command list disk. Now as you can see under the last column, GPT has assigned that is some asterisk form, asterisk symbol, which shows that disk has been successfully converted to GPT. Now we use simple exit commands to exit from the disk part, and again we use exit command to exit from the command prompt. Now we can simply followed by the Windows partitions as and wherever we provide. Thank you.